What if I told you that the AI meeting transcription tool you're using right now is missing 3 hidden features that could save you 10 hours every week? Most people are using these tools completely wrong. By the end of this video, you'll discover AI meeting transcription tools that don't just write down words, they predict your next action, analyze team emotions, and even generate follow-up emails automatically. This is going to change everything about how you handle meetings in 2025. Let's be honest. Sitting through endless meetings and then spending hours writing summaries is productivity murder. That's exactly why AI meeting transcription tools have become the secret weapon of successful professionals in 2025. But here's what's crazy. While everyone's talking about basic transcription, the real magic happens in features most people never discover. We're talking about AI tools that understand context, emotion, and even predict project outcomes based on meeting conversations. The difference between someone using these tools at 10% capacity versus 100% capacity, it's literally the difference between struggling with meeting overload and becoming a productivity superhero. Let me break down the 3 AI meeting transcription tools that are absolutely dominating 2025. First up, Otter AI has evolved into something incredible. Otter AI now features something called conversation intelligence that doesn't just transcribe, it identifies decision points, action items, and even measures speaking time ratios. Imagine knowing exactly who's dominating conversations and who needs more input. Next, we have Firefly's AI, and this thing is a beast. It integrates with over 40 platforms, and here's the kicker. It can automatically update your CRM with meeting insights. Your sales pipeline practically manages itself. Finally, there's Grain, which takes a completely different approach. Instead of just text, it creates video highlights of key moments. Think TikTok meets meeting transcription. It's absolutely genius for training and onboarding. Now here's the part most people miss. The hidden features that separate the pros from the amateurs. Feature number 1, sentiment analysis tracking. These AI tools can actually detect when team morale is dropping, when clients are getting frustrated, or when deals are about to close based on voice patterns and word choices. It's like having an emotional intelligence superhero in every meeting. Feature number 2 will shock you. Predictive action item generation. The AI doesn't just note what you said you'd do. It predicts what you should do based on similar, successful meetings in your industry. And here's the absolute game changer. Automated follow-up sequences. Some of these tools can draft personalized follow-up emails for each participant, schedule calendar reminders, and even suggest optimal meeting times based on productivity patterns. The most insane feature? Real-time coaching. The AI whispers suggestions during live meetings, like when to ask questions, when someone seems disengaged, or when you're talking too fast. Let's get real about the pros first, and they're absolutely incredible. Accuracy rates have hit 95%, even with multiple speakers, accents, and background noise. We're talking near human-level understanding. Time savings are insane. What used to take hours now happens instantly. Plus, these AI tools never miss details, never get tired, and can process multiple meetings simultaneously. But here come the cons, and they're important. Privacy concerns are real. Your sensitive business conversations are processed by AI systems. Some tools require internet connectivity, which can be limiting. Cost can add up quickly, especially for teams. We're talking $15 to $50 per user monthly for premium features. And here's something nobody talks about. Over-reliance can actually hurt your listening skills. The biggest con? These tools can miss context, sarcasm, and cultural nuances that humans catch naturally. Here's what's coming in 2025 that will absolutely revolutionize everything. Multi-language real-time translation is becoming standard. Imagine global meetings where language barriers completely disappear. AI meeting transcription tools will integrate with virtual reality environments. Picture reviewing meeting transcripts in 3D spaces where you can literally walk through conversation timelines. The most exciting prediction? These tools will start predicting meeting outcomes before meetings even happen, based on participant history, agenda items, and external factors like market conditions. We're also seeing AI avatars that can attend meetings on your behalf, ask relevant questions, and provide summaries. The future of work is getting absolutely wild. Here's exactly what you need to do right now. Pick one AI meeting transcription tool from today's review and commit to testing it for 2 weeks. Don't just use basic features. Dive deep into those hidden capabilities we discussed. Start with your most important recurring meeting and let the AI work its magic. Track the time you save and the insights you gain. If this video opened your eyes to the incredible potential of AI meeting transcription tools, smash that like button. Subscribe for more AI tools reviews and tutorials that will transform your productivity in 2025. Drop a comment below sharing your experience with AI meeting transcription tools. Which features surprised you most? Your insights could help thousands of other viewers level up their meeting game. The AI revolution in meeting productivity is just getting started, and you're now equipped to ride the wave. See you in the next video.